If we go to Hangouts, okay. Say hello, say hi, Mr. Rossi. We can see you, or something like that.
It's gone off.
Okay. Plug in a bit of power. Oh, hang on. Someone's saying something. Sophia's on. Oh, there we are. Can you see me? Yes. Are we on? Is it coming through? Can you see my fabulous beach background? I had a plan for a sun hat, sunglasses, the full Monty. And then I had a techie issue and nothing worked. Oh, I'm right behind now. Sit comfortably. Mrs. Sharp's on, she can see me. Okay, right, I need to set a few things up now. Bear with me a minute. Bear with me, I'm just going to get a little bit of chocolate. There we are, I'll keep. First and foremost, I want Mrs. Sharp's photographs, and they're in my emails. I quite like this actually. In fact, I think we're going to go for a walk. Let's go for a walk a minute while you're on. Where is it? Where do I meet? There it is. Let's go for a walk. I'll come back now. I want to show you some stuff. I forgot we were mobile. With mobile technology. We grab my keys. We're not going to look in my environment mess. Oh, there's Mrs. Evans. Look, say hi to the world. Hello. Mrs. Evans is very busy in the office. Got the keys. Got the keys. Let's go for a quick wander. See what we can spot. Hi, Miss Griffiths there. Look, say hello to the world. Here we are. What I've got to do to start assembly off. I need to show you some fabulous stuff though. Where am I going? Let's go out and see who's about, shall we? Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. It's probably backwards to you. Oh, lovely. We've got these quotes popping up all over the place. Beautiful white walls. No more footballs being kicked at those, I can tell you. Well, we'll try our best anyway. Go in here, let's have a look. Assembly if it does. Let's have a look. I'll lock myself out. Oh, I've got busy people all over the place. Are you still there? Do I still get Wi-Fi outside, Mr. Price? Quick look. There's Mrs. Arm, look.
Am I actually on there now?
You're in assembly.
Oh, hi! Thank you for that.
No, techie issues on padding. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, colourful work. Look at that. Oh, lovely. Right, let's go back in before I break something else. Oh. We've got Mrs. Pritchard signing today for us. Miss Wells is AWOL, but we're in the safe, capable hands of Mrs. Pritch, who will not like me adding lib and making things up as I go along. She likes a clear plan. Don't blame her. Yeah, still on, still connected to the internet. Okay, I'll show you some other stuff, but we haven't got all day, have we, really? But, things. This is me. I need to put these back on the wall at some point and fill all these holes as well. I'll get to it. Miss Limbeck, if you're watching, I've managed to fix your cupboard door. That took ages. Mrs. Evans, I've also managed to fix your cupboard door. And Mrs. Eden, I've already told you that I fixed your cupboard door. And they're fixing a cupboard door. That DIY hero. How long they'll stay fixed for, I don't know. But they're fixed for now. Sorry, Miss Kate. Back in the hall. Let's make a start of the assembly, shall we? Beach still up. Okay. Okay, let's make a start. Right, I need to go out and find some pictures. Bear with me. Where are you, Mrs. Sharp? There you are. Click on that. And then if I go and find some music. Nothing, I had to restart everything. I had it all set up ready. And then disaster happened. But thanks to the quick thinking of Mr. Price, it works again. How's your week been, everybody? Okay? Been busy? Weather's gone a bit naff, hasn't it? Come from glorious, glorious weather where we're all in lockdown, and then when they start to relax the rules a bit, it starts raining. I don't know what are the chances. It's a little bit of music, really. Bit of Bruno Mars. Let's go with that. Nice. And then we'll go here with this. And I'm going to just let you have a look at these photographs. Just for... Hang on then. Need to share my screen with me. Okay. This is going really well. Presents. Play. Settings will be auto advance. We want it every 5 seconds. Enjoy these pictures while I catch my breath. I'm trying and so let you put your hands out in the air. Catch that ball, catch the software, don't give up. Keep on going, you wanna fight, so keep on going, don't give up. Don't ever stop, try to come out, don't give up. You got yourself to roll skates, in the morning you will pay. Stand up and thank you for. Very nice. Beautiful dots painting that centre room, Mrs. May. That's what Leon's eating there. Crumble and custard, maybe. Cook dinner, Wednesday cook dinner. That's a fantastic light, isn't it? Oh, what? It must be a sour taste, I'm guessing. Really hard to do, you feel like quitting. Do you through? But I have some advice for you, don't give up. Keep on trying, you're gonna make it. I don't give up. Don't ever quit. Try, and you do it, don't give up. Yeah. If you want, I think that's the last one. Thank you for that, Mrs. Sharp. Some lovely photographs. Turn that off. Away. Thank you for that. Beautiful. And okay. Hang on now. No, I don't want to stop presenting. I want to stop sharing. Ooh. Still on. Okay. Hi, everybody. Right. Quick song. We'll do the well done song. Well done to me for not having a meltdown. Well done to Mrs. Pritchard for bearing with me. And a huge well done to Mr. Price for making things keep working. So if I do that, present my screen, entire screen. Oh, so too much. Are we good? Are we on? Yeah, we're on. Okay, have a sing along to this, please. press record. Mr. Price came in to check. Well done. Hey, quicker. Well done. Ooh, okay. Right, I'm back. Hi, everybody. Right, let's see who is in the Hangouts room. Let's have a look at the Hangout. Wow, lots of people. So, Sophia, good to see you. Yes, there has been a lot of thunder, hasn't there? Yes. It kept me awake. Costa's had a good week. Glad about that, Costa. Well done. Leon was eating rhubarb crumble, and the rhubarb was from the allotment. Thanks for that, Mrs. Sharp. Hi, Isaac. Good to see you. Mrs. Eden's on. Hello, Mrs. Eden. Miss Cossack's on. Jacob's on. We're losing connection outside, were we? Oh, I hope you saw the beautiful artwork that's going on around the place. Theo, good to see you. Oh, really have to see Miss Arm. She was a little bit mucky. She's been power washing all morning. Leon, good to see you. Yep, Mrs. Sharp just told me you're eating rhubarb crumble. Alfie and Harry, nice to hear from you. Holly, hello. Yes, I've started recording the assembly. Thanks for the reminder. I think I have. Freya's on. Nice to see you, Freya. Annie's with her as well. Jacob's there. Wonder if the boy on the Xbox was playing Fortnite. Can't wait till we go back to school. Not long now, Jacob. Not long now. Harmony, good to see you, Harmony. Evie, hi Evie, hi Gwennon. The William and Tyler on as well. I've got someone asking if Mrs. Arm's hoovering outside. No, it's a power washer. Evie's on, hello, and she says hello to Miss Arm as well. I've also got Mrs. Price who says hello with a big kiss. We've got Griff and Jack watching. Mrs. James is watching. Miss Cook's on. Leon's on still. Rowan's there. Hi, Rowan and Francesca and Alexis and Lara. Mila and Hilaria are on. Good to see you. Mrs. Penn made it back in time. Hello to you. And Eleanor is on with Chloe and Aaron as well. Thank you for your shout outs. Good to hear from you all. Let's find out who has done what this week. Okay. A very busy week again. Share that, please. I think I'm keeping it together quite well, considering. Yeah. I'm starting to relax a little bit now. Assembly stuff. Start of the week. Here we are. That one. Ta-da! There we go. Okay. Starting off with some shout-outs. First of all, a shout-out. Mrs. Adams said that Lara deserves a shout-out because you've been helping her build and paint play. So, yeah, well done to you. And Mrs. Adams also shouted out Jet, who's helping his mum paint his Marvel-themed bedroom. I've got a shout-out for Alicia, who's been signing Raw by Katy Perry. Alicia, it did come through. If you could send it through again somehow, or speak to your teacher and ask what went wrong, and then I'll show it next week, but I couldn't actually get the video of you signing Raw, so I just thought I'd give you a shout-out, because I know it will be amazing, and I can't wait to see it. Ruby Ann, in Mrs. Dean's class, you've been working so hard on the maths. Ruby Ann, I bumped into your Nan in Asda the other night. I said, Nan, how's Ruby Ann been doing with the maths work? And Nan said she's been working her socks off, and she needs to keep it up because they're all very, very proud of her. So Ruby Ann, keep it up, so next time I see Nan in Asda, she's got that great big smile on her face again, saying, yes, she's still doing brilliantly. Thank you for shouting out. Okay, so hi Ruby Ann, hi Nan as well. Sophia has been rallying the troops in Mrs. Eden's class to complete their jobs in the Google Classroom. She's been nagging everybody, come on, do your job, do your jobs. Let's get on that attendance board. And then a shout out from Mrs. Penn. Parents are working all the time. She's trying super hard and she's very excited to come back to school as well. So shout out to Sophie and your family as well. Hope your big brother's okay also. Haven't seen for ages. Right, Evan has been doing an online reading course, which he's passed with flying colours. He actually got 100% in his end of online course assessment. So Evan, that's a brilliant use of your time. Well done to you. Shout out to Mila, who has been rescuing little frogs. Now, I did see something on Facebook about little frogs. They put on Cumberland Life. I don't know where they came from. I can't remember now, but like 1 million frogs, little baby frogs, coming across the path. So I'm assuming that could be one of those 1 million frogs. And given that there's a car nearby, I'm thinking that you might have been rescuing them from being run over or stepped on. How many times can you see a little frog down there just by here? There it is. So well done to you. I think I saw a picture of your sister holding one on Mrs. Sharp's slides at start as well. What we've got next, wow. So Max and Ollie, superstar daring boys, they've been out and about on the bike. They've learnt to ride on 2 wheels, unaided by stabilisers, and look at the fun they've had whizzing through water, which would normally make you go, oh, I'm going to get in a terrible mess. But then look, both boys are in soapy water and suds, cleaning their bikes off as well. That's the way to do it. Have fun, make a mess, tidy up afterwards. That is most definitely a recipe for success. So well done to Max and Oliver, loving your work there. And then Oliver last week set a competition for his class. He had 3 ducklings and he challenged his class to come up with names for them. And Mrs. Penn actually let me know this halfway through last week's assembly, but I didn't pick it up. The winner is Ewan in year 5, and he came up with the names Quacky Chan, Cheating Quackers, and Quack Sparrows. Worthy winners, I think. Not sure which one is which. But there we are. They've been named Quacky Chan, Cheese and Quackers, and Quack Sparrow. Well done, Ewan. Thank you for that, Oliver. Happy birthday. Shout out to Mia for Sunday. And also a special well done from everyone at home for working so hard on all of your schoolwork. Well done to Mia. And Mrs. Eden would like to say happy birthday to Lucy, Gwen, and Bethany. All had birthdays this week, so happy birthday to you all. And then Mrs. Sharp would like to wish Noah a happy birthday. He's 5 next week. So that's half of 10. That's quite a big age, isn't it? And then Mrs. Now. So Rowan messaged in to say, can we say happy birthday to his dad, who has his birthday on Father's Day, which is this Sunday, in case anybody forgotten. And that's from Rowan, Francesca, Alexis, and Lara as well. So happy birthday to Rowan's dad for Sunday. There's a DPD man just arrived. I can't I'm on assembly, sorry. Mrs. Evans will probably let it. And then, incredible meeting. No, I'll get it wrong. I'll break something. Happy birthday to everybody. Let's do a quick birthday now. Thank you to Mrs. Barrier for providing the music for a happy birthday. If it's your birthday this week or this weekend, please stand up. And we will all sing happy birthday to you now. Mrs. Evans has left me. Like happy seats. See. Hooray! Happy birthday, everybody, if it's your birthday this week or this weekend. Thank you, Mrs. Barrier, for that beautiful playing. Let's move on and find out who are this week's stars of the week. Okay, Mrs. Adams, a morning and an afternoon star. We've got Harry and Ella May, both fabulous work and fabulous facial expressions when trying out new tastes. Maybe face like that. Like that, see? Okay, well done to you too. You are stars of the week. Long Becky. Congratulations for Mrs. Adams' class. Then we've got Ruby, Miss Almost Ruby, to be star of the week this week for a beautiful DVD decoration. So Diane Ruby, well done to you, and congratulations, you are Miss Almost Star of the Week. I haven't changed my background to stars, have I? Let's just sort that out straight away. I need to be here, and I need to be here, and I need to be here. Oh, gracious me, it's better. Right, next on my list is Kellen in Misty Nunzio's class, who's done some amazing, nobody needs to know that. Kellen, for amazing work on the sound and for demonstrating tremendous perseverance. Mr. Joe says you are a star this week, so well done to you, Diane T. Mrs. Stent would like to give Jaden her star week this week for his super effort with all his tasks and making his bed so neatly. And also looking after the garden by watering it when it's hot. You can have the week off this week though, Jaden. You don't need to water it this week. It's watering it itself. Well done to you. A very worthy start of the week. Kelsey, Miss Evans would like to give you her star of the week for excellent effort in the Google Classroom this week. So very well done to you, Kelsey. And then we've got Samuel in Miss Hallstart's class for working so hard every week on the basics, handwriting, reading and times tables, and making great progress as a result. Focus on the basics, my boy, and everything else will fall into place. What an outstanding star of the week that is. Mrs. Dean would like to give her star of the week to Morgan for an amazing chicken pie and a fantastic magic potion video. Well done to Morgan. Mrs. Price would like to give her star of the week to Callum and Mum for fabulous perseverance with Google Classroom and amazing mental math skills. Everybody is learning new skills. It's fantastic, particularly the ICT ones. Even mums and dads are getting involved as well. Yes, it's been an Emily Rose in Mrs. Evans' class for a great work ethic and for completing all of the Google Classroom tasks each week. You are Mrs. Evans' star of the week. Congratulations. And then Mrs. Eden would like to give Jack her star of the week for giving 100% to every task in Google Classroom. Miss Lindbeck would like to give Harmony star of the week for outstanding effort in the Google Classroom. Well done to you, Harmony. Miss Cook is giving her star of the week to Rocco, who working exceptionally hard in the Google Classroom. And Mrs. Penn would like JD to have her star of the week for working hard and being all-round fabulous. Well, isn't it? All-round fabulous. I would have to agree with that one, Mrs. Penn. Thank you very much. Mrs. Book says that Ellis's awesome effort on his Castle's fact file makes him a worthy recipient of the Star of the Week award. So well done to you, Ellis. And Mr. Price would like to award his Star of the Week to Logan, who has produced an excellent amount of work in the Google Classroom. So well done to you. And then Mrs. Sharp, she would like to give her Star of the Week to Sophie, who's been learning to skip and shared her new talent with her friends. And we have some video footage as well. Feast your eyes on this, please. Wow, look at that. Guy, three, Edward, Pip, so that's outstanding. Well done to you. You look out of breath. I'm just out of breath watching that. But I've also run up the corridor to get Mr. Pratt to help me as well. Tyler, Mrs. Edwards would like to give you Star of the Week for a fabulous retell of your granddad's weekend. I can't wait to find out what happened on your granddad's weekend. It sounds like an excellent weekend. Well done to you. And then Mrs. Pritchard would like to say a big well done to Emily. When we closed the school on the 20th of March, Emily knew 33 of her high frequency words, and she's now up to 77 high frequency words. And there she is with a big thumbs up saying, I know 77 of my first 100 high frequency words. That is very good progress. Very well done to you. Well done to all of their stars. Keep sending things in. Well done to you all. My Head Teachers Award is getting really tricky, this Head Teachers Award. Honestly, this last 2 weeks, at a very safe social distance, we have had so many staff in school, fixing things, painting things, decorating things, making things, planning things, drawing things, doing things. I could literally give my Head Teachers Award to every single member of staff, which makes it really difficult to single out for people, but I am going to single out 2 this week again. So, Miss Horrell, first of all, in the SDSNRB, she has done some fabulous painting, but not only has she been painting, she's been colour mixing to create the colours that she wants as well. I don't know if you've ever been to B&Q recently, but they are a little bit short on certain colours because I think over the lockdown period when everyone's been stuck at home in the nice weather, lots of people have been painting things. So there are many colours available in the at the minute. So Ms. Horrell has decided to just get a lot of paints together, mix her own fabulous creation, and she has worked the socks off painting lots of areas around the top end of the skill. So you get my Star of the Week award, Ms. Horrell. Sorry, my Head Teachers Award. Well done to you. And then the second one then is Miss Evans from Year 1, who had a very clear vision. She stuck to her guns and she painted amazing fish. She was very, very specific on the colour scheme she wanted in the Year 1 and 2 playing area. She wouldn't back down on things, and that she painted some amazing fish as well. And just one example there of a little bit of handiwork. We've decorated at the boat area, and I painted lots of ties and things, and as you can see, having a well-earned break there after all that hard work. So well done to Miss Evans, and well done to Miss Horrell, who are my Head Teachers Award winners this week. Congratulations to you all. I haven't got rounds of applause because I didn't have time to open it, so that's what I'm going to do instead. Okay. Where am I? Back to needs. Stop sharing. Hello, everybody. Oh, I'm quite low down, aren't I? That's better. Right, what's next? We've done birthdays, we've done shout-outs, we've done stars of the week, attendance. This is exciting this week, I have to be honest. We have actually got new winners this week in both phases. This is unheard of. It's normally the Mrs. Evans show, and I can't remember Miss Tom, she knows quite well, doesn't she? Down in reception. Go to here and find attendance. There we are, foundation phase. Let's see how we got on this week. So, can you? Let's put some water on the flowers. Let's move this so we can actually see everything properly. And then press go. Let's water the flowers. Here it comes. Mr. Nunzio's class have rocketed in this week with a whopping 72% victory. Let's go through some stats very quickly. Who's up? So we've got, Mrs. Adams wasn't overly impressed with her nursery figures this week, she did say, but I've got Mr. Nunzio's class, a gain of 4% to get that victory this week. Six last week and 66.7 this week. Mrs. Stent, you're up 4.8%, so the only gains this week, but well done to Mr. Nunzio's class. That means we've got somebody else on the leaderboard, and there we are. We've got 4 wins for Miss Evans, 2 wins from Mr. Orme, and now we've got a win from Mr. Nunzio. Well, congratulations to you all. Well done. Keep doing that work. Keep sending in things. Keep in touch with your teachers. Keep getting yourselves added to the board. And then hopefully we can get a couple of wins snuck in toward the end from these as well. Well done to you. Okay, Key Stage 2. This is definitely the Mrs. Evans show. Mrs. Eden tries every now and again just to put a spanner in the works. But this week we've got a whole different, I can't say that. She won't want to be called a new spanner in the works. Right, let's blow the whistle and see who is the new spanner in the works. Mrs. Evans' quest for total attendance domination. Right, my way, Mrs. Penn, look at that. 87.5% Mrs. Penn. That could even be a record. I'll have to check back through records, but that could be the highest attendance we've had. I know Mrs. Pritchard has 100% for the HI, but that, I think, for this board is definitely, I think that's a new record, the 87.5%. Correct me if I'm wrong. Some really good scores, though. Mrs. Evans, pretty good. Mrs. Eden would have picked you at the post this week. Miss Cook's up 75.9. Let's have a look through very quickly. We have got Mrs. Eden. She's rocketed 20% after last week's dip. Mrs. Penn's up 12.5%. That is some pretty good figures. And everybody else is there or thereabouts, I think. So, congratulations to Mrs. Penn. You have joined the Key Stage 2 leaderboard. The hunt is on. Can you catch Mrs. Evans before the end of term? 4 or 5 weeks left. Maybe I think you possibly could do it. You could do it. Congratulations to you all. Well done to Mr. Nunzio's class. Well done to Miss Penn's class. Well done to you all for keeping in touch and being online. Back to that. Stop sharing. Okay. Hi. Well, I think that's it really. It's been quite a funny assembly this week, hasn't it? It's all a little bit sort of cobbled together at the end. Sorry, Mrs. Pritchard, because I know you would have been trying to keep up on the signing with that. But, oh, Mr. Price, you can fix anything. You're amazing. I would literally have just closed the computer, sent an email, said, sorry, closed for the week. We'll catch up next week. So, news coming up then. I'm sending a letter out to mums and dads in about an hour's time. Then put some stuff on their school website explaining what's going to be happening over the next few weeks. School starts back for those who are coming on the 29th of June, but there are a couple of things we need to let you know first, particularly which days you're coming back, etc. Most of you will be coming back for 1 day a week, with a couple of slight exceptions, but it's all explained in what I'm going to send out in a little bit. If you can't get to what I've sent out in a little bit, look on the school website, go to the parents page. It's not there yet. Don't go yet. Give me till a bit. I would say 3:30 would be a safe bet. Nantkelling website, www.nantkellinprimary.co.uk, and go to the parents page, and then you'll see the COVID-19 information page, and it's all going to be on there. Okay, looking forward to seeing you all. Okay, let's have a little bit of quiet reflection then, please. Just have a little think to yourself. Lots of people out there helping us out. I mentioned B&Q staff last week. I go into Asda all the time. All these staff, bin men, who come around, smiles on their faces. They have kept everything going. So just have a big think about who we need to thank for helping us, and also have a think about who you helped this week, who you're going to help next week. Think about what you're looking forward to when you come back to school, who you've missed the most, who you can't wait to see. Okay, just have a little think about everything that's important to you and everyone that's helped you this week. Okay, we'll say a prayer. So, Dolly and Heed, Clygard and Hythe, and if you agree, say amen at the end. Antad a man ffrindiau, diolch yn fawr. Am ein ysgol, diolch yn fawr. Am ein teulu, diolch yn fawr. Diolch Dduw am popeth dda. Amen. Okay, we're going to finish off with a tribute, which is very fitting. Dame Vera Lynn, who unfortunately passed away. Very, very famous lady, very important lady in the World War, the Second World War, kept everybody happy. This song, which is very famous for, it's called We'll Meet Again, which we will in only a matter of weeks. So that's the end of assembly. Have a lovely weekend, everybody, and I shall leave you with Dame Vera Lynn singing We'll Meet Again. What do you mean you can't share my screen? Why can't you share my screen? If you want to see the Darwin of World War II, don't want to see me. Just have a listen. I'll leave the stars going. How's that? See you doing nothing. Enjoy the stars, enjoy the song, have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye.
So will you please say how to the folks that I know? Tell them I won't be long. They'll be happy to know that as you going on, I was singing this song. Again, don't know where. Don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day.